We are in 11th question in the exercise 1.2 in the chapter first arithmetic progression. Let's see which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. So we need to answer only this much. 54th term. We need to find plus 132 will become one value. Okay, so some term in this, any one will be 54 plus 132. This term we need to find. Okay, so once again I want to tell you about this. So like this will be this. So it's an AP series. Assume there is an arithmetic progression. So this is 3, this is 15, this is 27, this is 39 they have given. So 54 term will be this. So suppose x, here some value we need to find one term, that is x plus 132. So this is the question. Okay, so we need to find the 54 term, a 54, and after getting the value we need to find this a 54 plus 132, whatever the value comes, that we need to find the term. Okay, let's understand. So we'll put the values first. So a is equals to whatever they have given, we have to put. Given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39. So in that a value and the d value automatically we find by using a2 minus a1, it becomes 12. D is 12. Now we know that the nth term of AP series is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find the 54th term, a 54. A I am going to write like this, a 54. So a 54 value we are going to find by using a and d. So easy, a value 3 and the d value is 12. So by substituting all the values we will find 6. We find that 639. A 54 is 639. So they told that 132 more than 54 term. So plus 132 we need to find. See this 132 plus 132 we are doing. So it becomes 771. Okay, so we need to check this term of this one, 771, which term it is. We need to find this. Let's take the same formula. Nth term will be 771. We know that nth term of the AP series is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So by substituting, 771 is equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into d. See, 771 is equals to a value we know that 3 plus n we have to find, and d value we know that 12. So these three I am taking this side. So 771 minus 3. 771 minus 3 is 768 is equals to this 12 into n, 12n, minus 1 into 12, minus 12. So I am taking these to the left side. So 768 plus 12 it becomes. See, minus 12 is there. So after taking it to the left side, it becomes 768 plus 12. So 780. 780. 780 is equals to 12n. So I am taking 12n is equals to 780. doing ulta. N is equals to 780 by 12. So 12 ones are 1 meter. Six. Fifty-four term